I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but on Instagram, I've been seeing people do videos. They do their makeup and the primer that they have on is like white and chalky. And I'm like, what is going on here? They've been using Milk of Magnesia. It's like a laxative, basically. It's supposed to help you when you got a little stomach trouble, you're a little backed up. You use your Milk of Magnesia. I've never used any, so I had to purchase some. I got this right off of Amazon. The first thing I read was like you should let it dry all the way before you go into doing your makeup. The instructions on this bottle says to make sure you shake very well before you use. It doesn't smell like anything. And it says apply a thin layer, so I don't think you need a lot, but you just want to make sure everywhere is covered. And now I'm just gonna wait for this to fully dry. I'm gonna get ashier and ashier by the minute, so let's just wait. So it's all dry. This is what it's supposed to look like when it dries down. Obviously, like the places where it was applied more heavily, you see. I don't think you're supposed to have like a full white faces. It did just kind of feel like my makeup went on a bit better. I don't know if I'm imagining that or if it actually really did go on better. But that's how I feel. Patch test it first. Don't be like me. If you do decide to use it, go ahead and give her a little patch test first. Like on your arm, or even if you want to do it like down here somewhere on your face, just in case you have a bad reaction, if you're allergic to anything in it. I am not responsible for any of you. I have 0 shoulders that have passed through my birth canal, so I'm not responsible for nobody. I feel like I look a little ashy right now, I'm not gonna lie, and I usually don't get that vibe from me. So spread. Kind of gave you guys a smoky eye, didn't I? A Milk of Magnesia as a primer. It's good, but it's not life-changing. I definitely like would say if you haven't, ew, it looks so nasty dried up. I would definitely say if you haven't tried it, it's not something you need to rush out and try. It does make your foundation, I will say, it made my foundation feel really silky smooth going on. It was a real like sensual moment there. I enjoyed that. But as for like the rest of my makeup, I don't feel like it made a huge difference in how my face looks. Maybe it looks different on camera for you guys. And I didn't get as shiny as quickly right here in this area. I usually shine be beaming before I'm even done with my makeup. And that's just always because I'm oily like that. And I didn't notice that this time. So I'm always here to be a guinea pig. So if there are any specific trends or things that you see out there that you like, Niara, girl, can you try this for me? Drop it in the comment below, I'll try it. I will try it, I promise you. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, and I will see you guys next time.